And welcome to AI Custom Reply. This is a business to customer communication solution software. So here we go. What is AI Custom Reply? It's an AI chatbot software trained only to respond with your company data. We'll show an example when we're done here. How can AI Custom Reply help my business? More sales through better engagement. Simple and complex questions answered from your website and company data. So basically, what it does is it answers questions quickly, efficiently. You can ask simple or complex questions. It'll answer back based upon your data inside your website, and also PDF documents, even videos. We can link to the chatbot. We can actually train it and customize it to basically respond the way you want it to. The time saver, less time you and your staff will spend answering repetitive questions, which we know that's really probably one of the most amazing features is that it does answer intelligently based upon your information. It'll save a lot of time and it will intelligently drive traffic to whatever link, whatever video, whatever response that you want based upon certain keywords or certain phrases. Increased productivity. So obviously, a chatbot works 24 hours a day, never gets tired. It answers the same questions over and over and over, saving you time and energy. It answers with your company voice. So your branded company voice will be resounding every time a customer asks a question. The chatbot will respond only with your website data and your company approved data, providing a real virtual assistant that's pretty smart. Increased efficiency. So it works 24 hours a day. Like we said, it can also be trained if needed to smart respond by sharing product links, form specific videos and documents based upon what questions are being asked. So we'll show an example of that here in a minute. But basically what that means is if you mention, let's say, for example, a certain product or let's say if you're selling supplements, you mention a certain symptom or something that would trigger a specific product link. So we can train the bot to respond every time with a specific video or a link or a document. Understand the technology. So we use what's called a natural language processing, NLP. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. So NLP technology allows machines to bridge the gap between human communication and the computer. So basically, in a nutshell, it's fancy language for saying basically we train the bot to be able to take your information and communicate it properly in its own way to where it's meaningful. It makes sense based upon your information. So let's jump into understanding the technology. So we use also what's called machine learning. A chatbot learns from past interactions to improve its responses. So over time, the past interactions throughout the weeks and months, first 2 weeks, we'll find out a lot of what is needed. If we need to change the response, we can do that. AI custom chatbots improve over time, making it an investment month after month. So that delivers increasing returns. So the process. So if you want to go ahead and try it out, let's say if we want to do like a prototype, which you can do, maybe you can build it within a day or two and show you an example. If you want to go ahead and do the actual setup, this stage will involve creating a chatbot's dialogue, the flow, and defining its personality to align with your brand. It takes about 2 weeks to see what needs to be adjusted. So, and that would be custom based upon your business flow and what your business, what your personality is for your business. So training the AI, our team leverages natural language processing, like we mentioned before, and the machine learning to train the chatbot using relevant data and response templates. So it'll be a little bit of a trial and error on certain responses, but most of the information is going to be straight from your website. We can include custom responses on certain keywords. Testing and development. You and I will test the chatbot to ensure it performs as expected across different scenarios. So we'll do different examples and run-throughs. After successful testing, the chatbot is integrated into your system and launched for the user interaction.